What up, everybody? So today we're gonna be opening my Ipsy Glambag. So this is for February. So let's get on to it. Oh, there's something loose in here. I know I got some add-on, so I think that's what this is. But then there's a product there that I didn't add on. Oh, this bag is so pretty. Look, it's hearts. Can you even see it? It's hearts. So nice. And look, it has like a lollipop thing. And it says Ipsy. Oh, this is so nice. And it's like, it feels like a leathery type fabric. The inside is hearts too. Alright, so we got the card. Is there prices? Yes. Yes. Alright, first up, what was outside the bag is the PACIFICA Glow Baby Super Lit Enzyme Scrub. This is full size. Oh, no. This is travel size, $5. It's like a facial in a bottle. This scrub is packed with gentle exfoliators like rice starch, skin smoothing fruit extract, renewing glycolic acid, and brightening vitamin C to whisk away impurities, unclog pores, and reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. This is a nice size. For it to be travel size, this is a nice size to come in a bag. Alright. Got a box. This is Calm Down. It's CHICA AC Essence Toner, Centella Asiatica Leaf Extract 80%. 8 layers of hyaluronic acid, calming skin, panthenol acne treatment. After just one application, skin texture improved by 7.8%. 7.8? Yeah, 7.8%. So I've heard of Centella Asiatica. Okay, this is a deluxe sample. Full size is 150 ml for $23. We have 20 ml here. So it says need a chill pill for your complexion. This toner calms with soothing superstars like CHICA to help restore balance in stressed out skin, while blend of peeling acids work to brighten dullness, exfoliate away dead skin cells, and even out your skin tone. Oh, that sounds like a treatment. Oh, look, it's so cute. It says apply in the morning and evening to cleanse skin, cleanse face. Pour onto a cotton pad or palms and soothingly sweep over the face. Alright, I like that. That's a good amount too, so that you can actually try it. Alright, they're something in bubble wrap. I'll wait for the last for that. Alright, next up, this is Champagne Glow Liquid Highlighter by CHICA Beauty. It's wrapped up. Let's open it. It's a liquid highlighter. Let's see. I hear a lot of people don't like liquid highlighter because they put the highlighter they put over powder and stuff. So putting a cream can mess up your base of makeup and stuff. That's what they said. I don't know. I haven't tried it. You're not really gonna tell what it is with my bright freaking lights and stuff, but it's very pretty, very glittery. I don't know what type of highlighter girl I am, but I just tried the Wet n Wild one and I absolutely love it. It's no glitter. It just gives the softest glow. It's fantastic, and it cost me like $3. So this looks like a full size. No, it's a deluxe sample. One swipe of this glow getting liquid highlighter delivers a luminous sheer golden shimmer that blends into skin like a dream. Plus the built-in castor oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid help keep your skin hydrated and soft, aka no creasing or dryness to see here. Dab a small amount onto your cheekbones and gently blend with your finger or a brush. It's very nice. It's very nice. But if you don't like glitter, like I'm trying to get it in the light good here, and all I see is glitter, and it's kind of yellowy. It's not, I don't know, it's kind of yellowy. Alright, next up, this is GOLDFADEN MD Radiance Repair Daily Renewal Serum. So this is a deluxe sample. 30 mil is $95. We have 10 mil. Need to turn up your skin's natural luminosity and brightness? Look to this radiance enhancing serum. It reduces the sign of aging like fine lines, discoloration, and dullness with proprietary bioactive reverse technology that gives your skin its glow back. After cleansing, smooth it, pump over your face and neck, patting it in until absorbed. I will try this. I can see in the light it's up to here. Yeah, it's like up to here. I'll try it. The problem is I'll try it, end up liking it, and then can't afford to buy it. Buy a big one. Alright, let's see what I got. Oh, I think this is what I chose. Because, you know, in your Ipsy Glambag, I pay $16 for the bag. You get 5 deluxe sample full size products in it. I didn't explain it before, but yeah, that's what Ipsy Glambag is. And then you get to choose one product. So the product that I choose was the Beauty for Real translucent, is it? Yeah, finishing powder. Hydro Set translucent powder. So it's just a setting powder, but you know I'm going through dropping stuff like always, but you know I'm going through my phase of playing with makeup and stuff, and I'm trying to find the best of the best of that will work for me. Right now my favorite powders are the She Glam powder, the Wet n Wild powder, and the Ultra powder. So those are my favorite. But this is the Beauty for Real Hydro Set translucent finishing powder and translucent #1. The lightweight and cooling finishing powder, ultra fine particles are infused with niacinamide and vitamin E to help hydrate and blur. Use it to set your makeup for up to 16 hours of wear and up to 24 hours of shine control. Use a brush or a beauty puff to apply powder over foundation to set and mattify. This is a deluxe sample. 10 grams is $26, which is not terrible. This is 2.5 grams. It's a good amount to try it out, and it's not super expensive. But I have the She Glam that I paid what, like $6-7, and then the Wet n Wild I paid what, maybe $5 for it. And then for an add-on, I did get an add-on. When you buy an Ipsy box or an Ipsy bag, you can go in and get add-ons where you can get amazing product for pennies of the dollar. It's from $3.50 to $25. So there's like a bunch for the $6, a bunch for the $3.50, a bunch for the $12, stuff like that. I always get add-ons. I don't know. They always get me. They always get me. But this time I got the BYROE Black Cherry Plum Lip Oil. I don't know the real price of this because, oh, look how pretty. Oh, now I want to try it on. Let me have some tissue here. And that's, oh, what was on my lip was LYS. If I can see. Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. It's a lip oil too. I love it. I wear it when I go out always. I got so much lip stuff, but that's the one that's my go-to because it's so easy to apply. It does get messy, but let's try this. It feels minty, not burning. I forgot that it was a plumping. Oh, that's nice. I like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. I'm going to be using this a lot. And I know I paid $12 for this. I know I did. I know I did. So this got to be like $20-some. Let me look it up. Let me look it up. Let's look at, oh, BYROE lip oil. BYROE, right? How do you spell? Right here, lip pump. It's $26. Actually, it's $38. It's on sale right now for $26 at BYROE.com. Wow, $38 for this? That's insane. Hey, I paid $12. I'm excited. I keep looking in the mirror. Oh, I like it a lot. And I like that minty feeling. I just wish there was a scent to it, like a vanilla or a cake. You know our scents that we like, our lip product. And tell you in the room, look at this hair. I dyed it. I was a little too golden. I was like a gold blonde. If you look at my video, now I'm a ashier blonde. I do it myself. I'm a licensed hairdresser myself. I got my license in 2002, but I haven't done hair in forever. I only do my hair, my mom's hair. I love cutting hair. That was my thing when I was doing hair, was I cut hair. That was my thing. But anyway, that's what I got in my Ipsy bag. What do you think of my bag? Do you think the BYROE was worth the $12? I think so. It looks so pretty. And it feels amazing on the lips. Like, oh, it feels so good on the lip. And I got I got 3 skincare and 2 makeup. Before, that would be my jam, all skincare all day. But now that I'm trying to get into makeup, I want more makeup. I want more makeup. But I love the bag, and it has the hearts on the inside. It's so pretty. So I'm excited. This was a good bag. I give this bag like a 4 out of 5. Yeah, 4 out of 5. Definitely. I like this bag a lot. And then for this to be a deluxe sample, look how big this is. This is enough. And I will be using it. This definitely will be using it. But that's all I got for you today. Oh, I forgot. Comment, like, subscribe, share. It helps my channel out a lot. Even if you comment just with a little heart or a little clover. I'm a Boston Celtics fan, so comment a clover if you made it this far in the video. If you can share to your community about my page, that would be fantastic. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.